Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with, this is the Starlit Liquid from Makeup Forever. I'm just gonna be putting this on the highest point of my face, so basically, like on top of my cheekbones, my nose. It's like a glitter kind of thing, but it's really cute. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my, and then going in with the Makeup Forever HD Soft Light in 40. This will act as like my primer basically for my face. For foundation, I currently have been loving these two together. Born This Way concealer. This is amazing, guys. If you guys haven't tried it, you guys should. It's amazing for underneath your eyes. It's amazing for the face, as I will do right now. So basically what I do is I just do a little bit of this on my face. I know, and it's super white, but that's what I use as my concealer. So like that. And this one is in the shade Vanilla. It's super light, I know. And then I do like to use this is Warm Beige. So I just use my beauty blender and I just put a little bit of this on here. And then I just blend it all out. So this is how it's gonna look. I then like to add a little bit more of the concealer, just a little bit under my eyes. I like to then go in with the new Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I do think it's way better than Laura Mercier's translucent powder. Cover FX has really good setting powder too, and it's a little bit more affordable. I also really like, a really good setting powder is from Fit Me. It's their, I don't know exactly the name, but it's just like their translucent powder. That stuff is good. And it's like honestly better than like Laura Mercier's powder. Now another cool product that I have and I love is actually, speaking of Laura Mercier, but this is their translucent glow powder. So this is amazing for like to give you that like within like glow rather than like that super powdery. I personally don't like this Anastasia powder bronzer in Saddle, and I'm using my Morphe M405 brush. I believe this is a blush brush, but it works well for my cheekbones, and I literally just go right underneath and start building the product. I sometimes like to just kind of, just so you could see like exactly where your cheekbones are. Always go to your forehead. Sorry, the shirt's like falling. I do like to go back in with this powder, and I just grab, if I could find it, and then I'm just grabbing a blending brush, and then I'm gonna go back into this powder and literally just gonna contour my eyes a little bit. I like doing this step because I just feel like it puts the look together. I don't like just having like concealer under my eyes because I feel like that looks kind of ugly, and just to give it a natural shadow on the eye. It also contours it too, so it emphasizes a little bit of that brow bone. And it's a super simple and easy step that you could do this every single day. And you don't have to worry about like putting a bunch of shadows on your eyes. I literally do this every single day. And it's funny because so many people are like, oh my god, what are you wearing? I'm like, girl, it's just bronzer. Going back to my cheeks, I love doing this. I know this is going to be like super bougie of me to put a Givenchy lipstick actually on my cheeks, but that's just what I do. And this is the Le Rouge Liquid. I don't know how to pronounce it. Let's be real. It's the 101. It's really nice for, I use this actually as a blush. So I put this literally like a couple drops here and there. That looks so cute. I'm using my beauty blender and I'm gonna just blend this out basically. You could, if you have at home, like, you could just do a regular blush, or you could just do, if you have like a cream or a liquid blush, this works perfect. That worked perfect as well. This is just what I have, and that's what I use on a daily basis. I'm gonna go back to highlighting. I'm gonna be using this palette. I don't know if you can see it. It's the highlight palette Opals from Lime Crime. I got sent this to me a long time ago, and honestly, I don't know why I haven't really used it. And I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild brush. I believe this is like a blush brush, but I just use it as my highlight. And this broke, this one, but literally I'm just mixing these two together. I'm literally just going on top. I like to, going back to this is honestly the best waterproof drugstore mascara. It literally keeps my lashes curled up, separated, and volumized throughout the day. Recently went to Morphe and I purchased this lip liner. It's called Girl Talk. Makeup Talk, not Girl Talk. And it's really pretty. They're very like creamy and like blendable. So if you like to just use like your lip liner as like your lipstick, these work really well for that. And they're only like $2. Another Morphe product that I bought was this Morphe lipstick. This one is called Cot. Yeah, it's like their cream formula. And this is like the real deal. Like, this is like the best lip gloss I've ever used, besides the fact that it makes my lips dry, but honestly it looks so bomb that I don't care. This is from Bite Beauty. It's called Vanilla Latte. Get this and like you'll remember me that it's the bombest lip gloss ever. I'm just saying. And it literally smells like a vanilla latte. Going back to my lashes, I'm gonna go in with my Caution Extreme Lash Mascara from Hourglass. You guys, like, this is the best mascara ever. Like, I know I said I love this one. It is the best drugstore mascara for waterproof, but for high-end, like if you guys only like and you guys are bougie There's only like that like high-end mascaras. This is like the best one. I've tried so many, honestly, better than sex, like honestly everything. And no, this is the bomb. This literally is like the blackest mascara you will ever use in your life. And it just like makes my I thought that it had fibers in it, but apparently it doesn't. That's just how long it makes your eyelashes look and feel. So it's like to go in just with this one on my bottom lashes. It really like volumizes my bottom lashes and makes them look like they're super long, which is super cool because I don't have long lower lashes. I wish I had long lower lashes because honestly, I love that. What I've been doing now is I've been loving like just a little soft wing, but I do it with this Makeup Forever color. They're the new colored pencils. They're the artist colored pencils, but they're really nice, honestly. Super good for like detail work, or if you personally don't like a liquid liner. I personally don't because I feel like it looks really harsh. This is a really good like alternative for you. I like to just kind of create that wing, and then I like to hold my pencil from like almost like the end of the pencil, because with holding it closer to like the lid part, you get more application from it, and I want it to be as like I guess I just don't want it to be as pigmented, so I just do that, and then I connect to my wing. I'm not using a lot of pressure when I do this. I go in a different angle, kind of more upward, and then I just kind of start drawing to connect it. It to this eye as well. Going in with the brush that I use to clean up my brows, I'm not adding anything to it, and I'm just gonna clean it up. You want to push, like you want to put a little bit of pressure there, that way it cleans everything up. And then I like to go on top as well. And you know at the bottom how I pushed up? When you go to the top part, you want to push it down instead of up. You want to drag the product down. And then you could cut it a little bit, and then do the same thing to the other eye with I'm going to spray some of the primer water from Smashbox. This stuff is good. I really like this, the Caudalie Exler spray. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that one's really nice too. And that's it. Basically, that's my everyday natural but radiant glowy makeup look that I do. I hope, ow, that pulled my hair. And when these little clips are like super like essential for when you do your hair and makeup, or more so when you do your makeup, because it keeps your hairs out of your face, and then it doesn't create any creases on like your hair. And this is the final look that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys learned a couple new things. If you guys have any questions or any comments, just make sure to leave them down below. I totally will read them and write back to you guys. But anyway, please don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel if you guys do want to see any new upcoming videos. I would really love any of your feedback too on what you guys think I should do. If you guys are interested in any other videos like clothing hauls, I don't know, like something fun or different, I'm totally down, so just let me know. Anyway, thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys next time.